So what was the biggest money, bro?
I mean, the previous cycle I made like, a quick 200 million on altcoins. Yeah.
Hello, Carl. Nice to meet you. So I'm a great follower of yours, and I've seen you built a wonderful community on YouTube, on Twitter. So how has been your journey so far?
I love crypto. I love YouTube and Bitcoin. So yeah, I love what I do, and I'm finally at a stage where I am where I wanted to be, 10 years ago. So I'm happy about that.
Yeah. So how has been your journey? Like, can you describe your journey a bit too?
Yeah, like 7 years ago, I was working in the supermarket, and I visualized my dream life, and then I attracted my dream life through the law of attraction. So I'm here today because of the law of attraction, actually.
So what has been your timing so far in this space?
Challenge.
Yeah, it's enough.
To stay away from scams. I got scammed a few times, like everyone, but it's good to learn from that and never repeat the same.
Oh, amazing, Neil. So this is like a personal fashion. I love it. So what was the biggest money that I made?
I mean, the previous cycle I made like, a quick 200 million on altcoins. Yeah. And then most of it came down again, but yeah.
So what's the biggest blow?
Biggest I've lost is probably like 50 million for like.
So what's your advice to those people out there that have lost money and almost give it a hot crypto?
Forget about lost money. Don't let it consume your mind. Your mind should be consumed by future profits and making more money, new money. Don't look back too much.
So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ron.
Thanks for the call. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.